राज्यं प्राप्स्यते भवान्.
Yeah, go ahead, sorry.
Should I repeat that?
No, continue from Hatva. Yeah, third.
हत्वा रिपुनस्खलितं तव तत्र भविष्यति.
देव्युवाच स्वल्पैरहोभिर्नृपते स्वं राज्यं प्राप्स्यते भवान् हत्वा रिपुनस्खलितं तव तत्र भविष्यति.
Ripunas, and the pu is a long u.
Oh, it's a long one. Okay, thank you. देव्युवाच स्वल्पैरहोभिर्नृपते स्वं राज्यं प्राप्स्यते भवान् हत्वा रिपूनस्खलितं तव तत्र भविष्यति.
Mritascha bhuyaha is there, put is bhuyas samprapya janma devad vivasvatah savarniko nama manur bhavan bhuvi bhavishyati. Mritascha bhuyas samprapya janma devad vivasvatah savarniko nama manur bhavan bhuvi bhavishyati.
मृतश्च भूयः संप्राप्य जन्म देवाद्विवस्वतः सावर्णिको नाम मनुर्भवान् भुवि भविष्यति. मृतश्च भूयः संप्राप्य जन्म देवाद्विवस्वतः सावर्णिको नाम मनुर्भवान् भुवि भविष्यति.
मृतश्च भूयः सम्प्राप्य जन्म देवाद्विवस्वतः सावर्णिको नाम मनुर्भवान् भुवि भविष्यति. मृतश्च भूयः सम्प्राप्य जन्म देवाद्विवस्वतः सावर्णिको नाम मनुर्भवान् भुवि भविष्यति.
वैश्यवर्य त्वया यश्च वरोस्मत्तोभि together, so varosmattobhi vanchitah tam prayachami samsiddhye tava jnanam bhavishyati. Vaishyavaryatvaya yascha varosmattobhi vanchitah tam prayachami samsiddhye tava jnanam bhavishyati.
वैश्यवर्यत्वया यश्च वर्योस्मत्तोऽभिवाञ्छितः तं प्रयच्छामि संसिद्धे तव ज्ञानं भविष्यति.
Varosmattobi. First line. Yascha varosmattobi.
Okay. वैश्यवर्यत्वया यश्च वरोस्मत्तोऽभिवाञ्छितः तं प्रयच्छामि संसिद्ध्यै तव ज्ञानं भविष्यति.
वैश्यवर्यत्वया यश्च वरोस्मत्तोऽभिवाञ्छितः तं प्रयच्छामि संसिद्ध्यै तव ज्ञानं भविष्यति. वैश्यवर्यत्वया यश्च वरोस्मत्तोऽभिवाञ्छितः तं प्रयच्छामि संसिद्ध्यै तव ज्ञानं भविष्यति.
Markandeyo vacha iti dattva tayor devi yatha bhilashitam varam. Markandeyo vacha iti dattva tayor devi yatha bhilashitam varam.
मार्कण्डेय उवाच इति दत्त्वा तयोर्देवी यथाभिलषितं वरम्. मार्कण्डेय उवाच इति दत्त्वा तयोर्देवी यथाभिलषितं वरम्.
मार्कण्डेय उवाच इति दत्त्वा तयोर्देवी यथाभिलषितं वरम्. मार्कण्डेय उवाच इति दत्त्वा तयोर्देवी यथाभिलषितं वरम्.
Bhabhuvantar hita sadhyo bhaktya tabhyam abhishtuta. If you want to break it, you can break it at the ma. Tabhyam abhishtuta. Evam devya varam labdhva surataha. That you have to say that visarga there. Surataha kshatriyashabha. Markandeyo vacha iti dattva tayordevi yatha bhilashitam varam. Bhabhuvantar hita sadhyo bhaktya tabhyam abhishtuta. Sorry, I said repeat it again. Evam devya varam labdva suratah kshatriyashabah
Yeah. बभूवान्दर्हिता सद्यो भक्त्या ताभ्याम् अभिष्टता
Vishtuta.
अभिष्टुता एवं देव्या वरं लब्ध्वा सुरदः क्षत्रियार्षभः बभूवान्दर्हिता सद्यो भक्त्या ताभ्याम् अभिष्टुता एवं देव्या वरं लब्ध्वा सुरदः क्षत्रियर्षभः
बभूवान्दर्हिता सद्यो भक्त्या ताभ्यामभिष्टुता एवं देव्या वरं लब्ध्वा सुरदः क्षत्रियर्षभः बभूवान्दर्हिता सद्यो भक्त्या ताभ्यामभिष्टुता एवं देव्या वरं लब्ध्वा सुरदः क्षत्रियर्षभः
Suryaj Janma. Ij first and then a Suryaj Janma Samasadya Savarnir Bhavita Manuhu. And then anytime we are completing any Upanishads or something, the last word gets repeated again to say it is complete. So Savarnir Bhavita Manuhu again. Clean. Om Surya Janma Samasadya Savarnir Bhavita Manuhu. Savarnir Bhavita Manuhu. Clean. Om
सूर्य जन्म समासाद्य सावर्णिर्भविता मनुः क्लीं ओम सूर्य जन्म समासाद्य सावर्णिर्भविता मनुः क्लीं ओम
सूर्या जन्म समासाद्य सावर्णिर्भविता मनुः क्लीं ओम सूर्या जन्म समासाद्य सावर्णिर्भविता मनुः क्लीं ओम श्री महादेवी।
Very nice. That completes the 700th stanza. So I think that's the main 13 chapters are getting completed there. Okay, so we'll switch to Shubha and Priya. You can be maybe for the next 25 minutes, right?
Yes.
So we'll do the Uttarangam. Do you have the Uttarangam printouts or script ready, both of you?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, and Priyaji, one of you has to come on video because this is the Nyasam part. So we already covered these things previously before we did the first chapter, right? So whatever Nyasam we did in the previous, we are just going to repeat it at the end to close it out, right? So I'm not going to say word by word because all of you already know these things, but I'll just focus on the just the Nyasam part, right? So I'll just say it once and then you can just repeat it. And you can just repeat it once, don't say it 2 times because you already know this. So right after you finish, okay, my internet connection is saying unstable. So if you can't hear me, let me know, okay? So right after you finish the 13th chapter and do Satya Santu, which we'll do separately, then you directly start this, okay? So Om Khadgini Shulini Ghora Gadini Chakrini Tata Shankini Chapini Bana Bhushundi Parigayuda Hridaya Yanamaha. So touch your heart then. Go ahead, Shubha.
Khadgini Shulini. My, I think upon 120.
Shall I go ahead?
Yeah, go ahead. Sure.
Om Khadgini Shulini Khora Gidini Chakrini Tatha Shankini Chapini Bana Pushundi Parikayuta Hridayaya Namaha. One time only, right?
Om Khadgini Shulini Ghora Gadini Chakrini Tatha Shankini Chapini Bana Bhushundi Parigayudha Hridayaya Namaha.
So for the next ones, you don't have to say the Om, you just start. Shulena pahi no devi pahi khadgena chambike ghanta swanena naf pahi chapa jyani swanena cha. Shirase Swaha, touch the top of your head.
शूलेन पाहि नो देवि पाहि खड्गेन चाम्बिके खण्डास्वनेन नः पाहि चापज्ञानिस्वनेन च शिरसे स्वाहा
शूलेन पाहि नो देवि पाहि खड्गेन चाम्बिके घण्टास्वनेन नः पाहि चापज्झानिस्वनेन च शिरसे स्वाहा
प्राच्यां रक्ष प्रतीच्यां च चण्डिके रक्ष दक्षिणे ब्राह्मणे नात्म शूलस्य उत्तरस्यां ततेश्वरि शिखायै वषट्. So the back of your head.
ॐ प्राच्यां रक्ष प्रतीच्यां च चण्डिके रक्ष दक्षिणे ब्राह्मणेनात्मशूलस्य उत्तरस्यां तथेश्वरी शिखायै फषड.
And you don't have to say the Om, you just have to say it only for the first Kadgini. Okay, you don't have to repeat it.
प्राच्यां रक्ष प्रतीच्यां च चण्डिके रक्ष दक्षिणे ब्राह्मणेनात्मशूलस्य उत्तरस्यां तथेश्वरी शिखायै वषट्
सौम्यानि यानि रूपाणि त्रैलोक्ये विचरन्ति ते यानि चार्त्यर्थ घोराणि तैर्, that ir sound has to come there, तैर् रक्षास्मां तथा भुवं कवचायहुं. So kind of touch your shoulders, cross.
सौम्यानि यानि रूपाणि त्रैलोक्ये विचरन्ति ते यानि चात्यर्थघोराणि तैर्रक्षास्मांस्तथा भुवं कवचाय हुम्.
सौम्यानि यानि रूपाणि त्रैलोक्ये विचरन्ति ते यानि चात्यर्थघोराणि थैरक्षास्मांस्तथा भुवं कवचायहुम्.
खड्गशूलगदाधीनि यानि चास्त्राणि तेऽम्बिके करपल्लव संघीनि तैरस्मान् रक्ष सर्वतः नेत्रत्रयाय वौषट. So both the index finger and the ring finger on your eyes. नेत्रत्रयाय वौषट.
खड्गशूलगदादीनि यानि चास्त्राणि तेऽम्बिके करपल्लवसङ्गीनि तैरस्मान् रक्ष सर्वतः नेत्रत्रयाय वौषट.
खड्गशूलगदादीनि यानि चास्त्राणि तेऽम्बिके करपल्लवसङ्गीनि तैरस्मान् रक्ष सर्वतः नेत्रत्रयाय वौषट्.
सर्वस्वरूपे सर्वेशे सर्वशक्तिसमन्विते भयेभ्यस्त्राहि नो देवि दुर्गे देवी नमोस्तुते अस्त्राय फट्. So 2 times अस्त्राय फट्.
सर्वरूपे सर्वेशे
सर्वस्वरूपे
सर्वस्वरूपे सर्वेशे सर्वशक्तिसमन्विते भयेभ्यस्त्राहि नो देवि दुर्गे देवी नमोस्तुते अस्त्रत्रयाय फट्.
अस्त्राय फट्.
अस्त्राय फट्.
सर्वस्वरूपे सर्वेशे सर्वशक्तिसमन्विते भयेभ्यस्त्राहि नो देवि दुर्गे देवी नमोस्तुते अस्त्राय फट्.
So the beginning, at the end of this, we said Om Bhurbhuvassuvarom iti Digbandaha is what we said before we started chanting. So that we said you go clockwise, right? Bhurbhuvassuvarom iti Digbandaha. Here, because we are finishing it, it's Bhurbhuvassuvarom iti Digvimokaha, and you do it in the opposite direction. Okay, so you start in the front and then you go left and go around. Okay, that's wrapping it up. That's the only change. In the previously we said Bhurbhuvassuvarom iti Digbandaha, that was clockwise direction. It's clockwise, right? Clockwise, yeah. Then Bhurbhuvassuvarom iti Digvimokaha is opposite direction. Om Bhurbhuvassuvarom iti Digvimokaha.
Om Bhurbhuvassuvarom iti Digvimokaha.
Om Bhurbhuvasvarom iti Digvimokaha.
Next, Dhyanam. This Dhyana slokam also we did previously. So I'll just say it once, and if you are able to, then else I can break it if needed. Dhyanam Vidyudhama Samaprabham Mrigapati Skandastitham Bhishanam Kanyabih Karavala Kheta Vilasa Dasta Virasevitam Hastaish Chakra Ghadasi Kheta Vishikam Chapam Gunam Tarjanim Bibhranam analatmikam shashidharam durgam trinetram bhaje.
I tried that. I forgot actually.
No worries, no worries.
Dhyanam vidyuddama samaprabham mrigapati skandastidam bhishanam kanyabhik karavala kheda vilasat
Vilasat dastabhira, that double dha coming there. So vilasat dastabhira sevitam.
विलसस्थस्थाभिरासेवितां हस्तैश्चक्रगदासिखेड विशिखांश्चापं गुणं तर्जनीं बिभ्राणामनलात्मिकां शशिधरां दुर्गां त्रिनेत्रां भजे.
ध्यानं विद्युद्धाम समप्रभां मृगपति स्कन्धस्थितां भीषणां कन्याभिः करवालखेटविलसद्दस्थाभिरासेवितां हस्तैश्चक्रगदासिखेटविशिखां चापं गुणं तर्जनीं बिभ्राणामनलात्मिकां शशिधरां दुर्गां त्रिनेत्रां भजे.
And the same,
Rajesh,
yeah.
the last line, is it V or B?
No, we changed it to B as in boy.
B, right?
Bibhrana.
BH.
Yeah.
BH.
B. So then we have to do that Pancha Puja, which we had done again, right? So it was Lam Prithivyaatmane Gandham Kalpayami. So that was take your thumb and then touch your, go up on your pinky finger, right? Lam Prithivyaatmane Gandham Kalpayami. Then Ham Akashatmane Pushpan Kalpayami was the thumb. Then Yam Vayavatmane Dhupam Kalpayami was the index finger. So it goes ring, thumb, index, middle, sorry, not ring, the pinky finger first, thumb second, index, middle finger, ring finger. Okay, it just starts at the pinky finger, small finger first. That's all it is. Okay. And every time you use your thumb to move it up, you touch from the bottom and go up with your thumb, except when you're doing your thumb itself, you use your middle finger to move up, scroll up the thumb, right? So if you can see it, so Lam Prithivyaatmane Gandham Kalpayami, Ham Akashatmane Pushpam Kalpayami, Yam Vayavatmane Dhupam Kalpayami, Ram Agniatmane Deepam Kalpayami, Vam Amritatmane Amritam Kalpayami. Then the last, Sam Sarvatmane Samastopacharan Samarpayami.
लं पृथ्वात्मने गन्धं कल्पयामि, हम आकाशात्मने पुष्पं कल्पयामि, यं वायवात्मने धूपं कल्पयामि, यं अग्न्यात्मने दीपं कल्पयामि, वं अमृतात्मने अमृतं कल्पयामि, सं सर्वात्मने समस्तोपचारान् समर्पयामि.
लं पृथिव्यात्मने.
And it must be after, you don't have it just scroll down. It must be after the Navakshari, adu mudinjittu, it must be there again. Just see if because some books don't have it printed there completely. Illa paravali Shubha, no worries. I think you can just, I think this was there earlier also, so you can just use that later on. Okay. So once you do this, right? So what we did was we finished the 13 chapters. We did a nyasam to close it out. Then you have to do the Navakshari, right? The Navakshari, which we'll do once. I think Uma also joins maybe next class. We can just quickly go through that. Once you do the Navakshari, there's another quick nyasam and dhyanam to close that out. So if you go after Navakshari in your script, you'll see Aim Hridayaya Namaha, touch your heart. Hreem Shirase Swaha, top of your head. Kleem Shikaye Vashate, back of your head. Chamundaye Kavachaya Hum, shoulder. Viche Netratrayaya Vaushate, eyes. Aim Hreem Kleem Chamundaye Viche Astraya Phate, 2 times. Even here, Bhurbhuvassuvaromiti Digbimokaha, opposite direction, anti-clockwise direction. This also previously when we did it Dig Bandaha and did clockwise. So this is again anti-clockwise.
Aim Hridayaya Namaha, Hreem Shirase Swaha, Kleem Shikaye Vashada, चामुण्डायै कवचाय हुं विच्चे नेत्रत्रयाय वौषट ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं चामुण्डायै विच्चे अस्त्राय फड भूर्भुवस्सुरो दिग्विमोकः
அது சேர்த்து சொல்லலாமா? லம்
Ah.
பிருத்திவி.
So yeah, go ahead. Yeah.
Thank you. लं पृथिव्यात्मने गन्धं कल्पयामि, हम् आकाशात्मने पुष्पं कल्पयामि, यं वायवात्मने धूपं कल्पयामि, रम् अग्न्यात्मने दीपं कल्पयामि, वम् अमृतात्मने अमृतं कल्पयामि, सं सर्वात्मने सर्वोपचारान् समर्पयामि.
Some books, sorry, Shubha, some books have sarvopacharan, some books have samastopacharan. So either is okay. So don't worry about it. Okay. Some people say samastopacharan, some people say sarvopacharan. So either is okay.
Okay. ऐं हृदयाय नमः, ह्रीं शिरसे स्वाहा, क्लीं शिखायै वषट्, चामुण्डायै कवचाय हुं विच्चे नेत्रत्रयाय वौषट्, ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं चामुण्डायै विच्चे अस्त्राय फट्, भूर्भुवस्वरोमिति दिग्विमोकः.
Next three dhyanams also we covered before. So see if you can remember it. I'll just say one stanza at a time and you can just repeat it once. This is the same thing which was there earlier also. Dhyanam khadgam chakragadeshu chapa parigan chulam busundin shirah shankam sandaratim karaistrinayanam sarvanga bhushavritam neelashmadhyudimasya padadashakam seve mahakalikam यामस्तौ स्वपिते हरौ कमलजो हन्तुं मधुं कैटभम्.
ध्यानं खड्गं चक्रगदेषु चापपरिखां शूलं पुशुण्डीं शिरः शङ्खं सन्तततीं करैस्त्रनयनां सर्वाङ्गभूषावृतां नीलाश्मद्युतिमास्य पाददशकां सेवे महाकालिकां यामस्तौ स्वपते हरौ कमलजो हन्तुं मधुं कैडभम्.
Swapite, Priya, that last line.
Swapite, okay.
Yeah. Go ahead, Shubha.
Oh, sorry. ध्यानं खड्गं चक्रगदेषु चापपरिघाच्छूलं भुशुण्डीं शिरः शङ्खं सन्दगतीं करैस्त्रिनयनां सर्वाङ्गभूषावृतां नीलाश्मद्युतिमास्य पाददशकां सेवे महाकालिकां यामस्तौ स्वपिते हरौ कमलजौ हन्तुं मधुं कैटभम्.
अक्षस्रक् परशुं गदेषु कुलिशं पद्मं धनुष्कुण्डिकां. That remember the Danuhu, we should put a ish there this time. Dhanushkundikam, Dandam Shaktimasim, Chacharma Jalajam, Ghantam, Surabhajanam, Shulam Pasha, Sudarshane, Dharatim, Hastaif Prasannanam, Seve Sairi Bhamardini, Nihamaha, Lakshmim, Sarojastitam.
अक्षस्रक्परशुं गदेषु कुलिशं पद्मं धनुष्कुण्डिकां दण्डं शक्तिमसिं चर्मजलजं खण्डां सुराभाजनं शूलं पाशसुदर्शने च ददतीं हस्तैः प्रसन्नाननां सेवे सैरिभमर्दिनीमिह महालक्ष्मीं सरोजस्थिताम्.
अक्षस्त्रक्परशुं गदेषु कुलिशं पद्मं धनुष्कुण्डिकां दण्डं शक्तिमर्सिं च चर्मजलजं घण्टां सुराभाजनं शूलं पाशसुदर्शने च दधतीं हस्तैः प्रसन्नाननां सेवे सैरिभवर्धिनीमिह महालक्ष्मीं सरोजस्थिताम्.
घण्टा शूलहलानि शङ्खमुसले चक्रं धनुस्सायकम् हस्ताब्जै धरतीं घनान्तविलसच्चीतां सुतुल्यप्रभाम्. Next two lines, try to say it together as much as you can. Gauri deha samudbhavam trijagatam adharabhutam mahapurvamatra saraswati manubhaje shumbhadi daityardinim.
खण्डाशूलहलानि शङ्खमुसले चक्रं धनुस्सायकं हस्ताब्जैर्धदतीं खनान्दविलसच्छीतां शुतुल्यप्रभां गौरीदेहसमुद्भवां त्रिजगदामाधारभूतां महापूर्वामत्र सरस्वतीमनुभजे शुम्भादिदैत्यार्दिनीम्.
घंटाशूलहलानि शंखमुसले चक्रं धनुस्सायकं हस्ताब्जै दधतीं घ्नान्तविलसच्चीतांशुतुल्यप्रभां गौरी देहसमुद्भवां त्रिजगतामाधारभूता महापूर्वामत्र सरस्वतीमनुभजे शुम्भादि दैत्यार्दिनीम्.
Now again, you have to do the Pancha Puja, which we don't have to repeat because we just did it once already today. The same Lampati Vyatne, Gandham Kalpyami, whatever we did, that same thing again comes, and that pretty much that will wrap it up, right? So let's. I just want to maybe spend extra 5 minutes today, if we can, right? Quickly go through the last lines, right? So the way it works is, each chapter has one adhyaya devata, so one devata who is responsible for that chapter, and then each of the chapters also has a one bija aksharam that is there. So you would have noticed it when we started chapter 1. It started with Aim, right? It started as the first thing that was there in chapter 1 was, it started with Aim. Om Aim Markandeyo Vacha Savarnya Surya Tanayo Yoma. That we started with that, right? So that Aim is the Bija Aksharam for chapter 1. When chapter 1 got over, it would have said Aim Om, and they closed it off with Aim. So that Aim is only for chapter 1, and you will notice it when you go check your book. Next, chapter 2 started with Om Hreem Rishiruvacha. So Hreem is the Bija Mantram for chapter 2, and that Hreem continues for chapters 2, 3, and 4. Because at the end of the chapter 4, you would have said Hreem Om is how you would have wrapped up chapter 4. Then chapter 5 would have started with Kleem, Om Kleem Rishiruvacha, and that Kleem carries all the way through 13. And that's why at the end of the 13th chapter we said Savar Nisbhavita Manuhu Kleem Om, and we wrapped it with the Kleem. Okay, so Aim is for chapter 1 only, Hreem is for chapters 2, 3, and 4, Kleem is for chapters 5 and beyond. So that is the Bija Aksharam for each of those chapters. So okay, that's number 1. Next, each of those chapters also have a, like we said, Adhyaya Devata, which we'll kind of go through it. So there is one stanza which we chant at the end of every chapter. Okay, and the first 3 lines of that are the same. The last line changes from chapter to chapter. So first let's do the first 3 lines, right? And then we'll go through what is there for each chapter. Okay. So let me know if you have the Satya Santu Yajamanasya Kamaha. See if you have that script ready. So I'll say it again word by word. So Om Satyas Santu Yajamanasya Kamaha. So there's a double line in Sanskrit, which means you take it one more level up. Kamaha, right? Namo Devyai Mahadevyai Shivayai Satatam Namaha. That you know. Namaha, put the if again. Namah Prakrityai Bhadrayai Niyataha is there. Put the if again. Niyatah Pranataha. So put the is. Pranata Smatam. Sanghayai Sayudhayai Sa Parivarayai Sarvatnikayai. Okay, we'll do it till there. So this has a little bit of a tune to it. So if you can, then good, else it's okay. Om Satya Santu Yajamanasya Kamaha Namo Devyai Mahadevyai Shivayai Satatam Namaha Namah Prakrityai Bhadrayai Niyatah Pranatasmatam Sanghayai Sayudhayai Saparivarayai Sarvatnikayai. So we'll stop there. Just say it once, okay?
Satya Santu Yajamanasya Kamaha Namo Devyai Mahadevyai Shivayai Satatam Namaha Namah Prakrityai Bhadrayai Niyatah Pranatasmatam Sanghayai Sayudhayai Saparivarayai Sarvatnikayai Saparivarayai Sarvatnikayai.
Satya Santu Yajamanasya Kamaha Om Namo Devyai Mahadevyai Shivayai Satatam Namaha नमः प्रकृत्यै भद्रायै नियता प्रणता स्मतां सांगायै सायुधायै सपरिवारायै सर्वात्मिकायै.
So now, so the way we do it is at the end of every chapter, you say this, and then you say one more line. So that we are just going to go through it. So I sent a PDF in Sanskrit, which has a summary of it. But if you have it at the end of each chapter, that's fine. So we'll do chapter 1. So chapter 1 is Vag Bhava Bija Adhishthatrey Shri Mahakalye Namaha. Okay, so it becomes Sangaye Sayudahe Saparivarahe Sarvatmikaye Vag Bhava Bija Adhisthatre Shri Mahakalye Namaha.
Rajesh, I have a question.
Yeah.
When we finish the chapter, we say Om, right?
Yeah.
Usually, so you start again with the Om.
No,
for
so
the second-
generally what again, there's no hard and fast rule, but generally in the Parayanams, when there are, if you're saying Om and then another Om is coming right after that, they don't say it twice. They only
Okay.
say it once.
Okay.
Okay.
सांगायै सायुधायै सपरिवारायै सर्वात्मिकायै वाग्भवबीज अधिष्ठात्र्यै श्रीमहाकाल्यै नमः.
सांघायै सायुधायै सपरिवारायै सर्वात्मिकायै वाग्भवबीजाधिष्ठात्रे श्रीमहाकाल्यै नमः.
Chapter 2, Lakshmi Bija Adhisthatre Shri Mahalakshmi Namaha. Sangaye Sayudaye Saparivarahe Sarvatmikahe Lakshmi Bija Adhisthatre Shri Mahalakshmi Namaha.
सांगायै सायुधायै सपरिवारायै सर्वात्मिकायै लक्ष्मी बीज अधिष्ठात्र्यै श्रीमहालक्ष्मी नमः.
सांगायै सायुधायै सपरिवारायै सर्वात्मिकायै लक्ष्मीबीजा अधिष्ठात्रे श्रीमहालक्ष्म्यै नमः.
Chapter 3, Ashta Vimshati Varnatmikaye Shri Mahalakshmi Namaha. Sangaye Sayudahe Saparivarahe Sarvatmikaye Ashta Vimshati Varnatmikaye Shri Mahalakshmi Namaha.
सांगायै सायुधायै सपरिवारायै सर्वात्मिकायै अष्टाविंशति सर्वात्मिकायै श्रीमहालक्ष्मी नमः.
Ashta Vimshati Varnatmikaye.
अष्टाविंशति वर्णात्मिकायै श्रीमहालक्ष्मी नमः.
सांगायै सायुधायै सपरिवारायै सर्वात्मिकायै अष्टाविंशति वर्णात्मिकायै श्रीमहालक्ष्म्यै नमः.
Chapter 4, Trivarnatmikaye, Trivarnatmikaye Shakti Lakshmi Namaha. Sangaye Sayudaye Saparivaraye Sarvatmikaye Trivarnatmikaye Shakti Lakshmi Namaha.
सांगायै सायुधायै सपरिवारायै सर्वात्मिकायै त्रिवर्णात्मिकायै शक्तिलक्ष्म्यै नमः.
सांगायै सायुधायै सपरिवारायै सर्वात्मिकायै त्रिवर्णात्मिकायै शक्तिलक्ष्म्यै नमः.
Chapter 5, Vishnu Mayadhi Trayo Vimshati Devataye Namaha. Sangaye Sayudaye Saparivaraye Sarvatmikaye Vishnu Mayadi Trayo Vimshati Devataye Namaha.
सांगायै सायुधायै सपरिवारायै सर्वात्मिकायै विष्णुमायादित्रयोविंशति देवतायै नमः.
सांगायै सायुधायै सपरिवारायै सर्वात्मिकायै विष्णुमायादित्रयोविंशति देवतायै नमः.
So actually, this sorry, one correction. So the Sanghaye Sayudaye, you have to say it. Actually, nowadays we don't say it for every chapter. We only say it at the end of the 13th chapter. Previously, we were saying it at the end of every chapter, but now they are not saying it. They're saying it up to 4th, but 5th chapter it ends with Prakritasmatham. Okay, so 6th also same thing. Bhadraye Niyata Pranatasmatam Shatakshye धूम्राक्ष्यै नमः. So it will be Namah Prakrityai Bhadrayai Niyatah Pranatasmatam Shatakshयै Dhumrakshyai Namaha.
नमः प्रकृत्यै भद्रायै नियताः प्रणतास्मतां शताक्षै धूम्राक्षै नमः.
नमः प्रकृत्यै भद्रायै नियताः प्रणतास्मतां शताक्षै धूम्राक्षै नमः.
7. Karpura Bija Adhishthatrei Kali Chamunda Devyai Namaha. Namah Prakrityai Bhadrayai Niyatah Pranatasmatam Karpura Bija Adhishthatrei Kali Chamunda Devyai Namaha.
नमः प्रकृत्यै भद्रायै नियताः प्रणतास्मतां कर्पूरबीज अधिष्ठायै कालिचामुण्डा देव्यै नमः.
Adhishthatrei.
अधिष्ठात्री. ओके, अधिष्ठात्री.
Tatrei. Okay.
नमः प्रकृत्यै भद्रायै नियताः प्रणतास्मतां कर्पूरबीजा अधिष्ठात्र्यै काली चामुण्डा देव्यै नमः.
Chapter 8. Ashta Matruka Sahitayai Raktakshiyai Devyai Namaha. Namah Prakrityai Bhadrayai Niyatah Pranatasmatam Ashta Matruka Sahitayai Raktakshiyai Devyai Namaha.
नमः प्रकृत्यै भद्रायै नियताः प्रणतास्मतां अष्टमातृका सहितायै रक्ताक्षै देव्यै नमः.
नमः प्रकृत्यै भद्रायै नियताः प्रणतास्मतां अष्टमातृका सहितायै रक्ताक्ष्यै देव्यै नमः.
9. Vag Bhava Bija Adhishthatrei Shri Mahakalyai Namaha. Namah Prakrityai Bhadrayai Niyatah Pranatasmatam Vag Bhava Bija Adhishthatrei Shri Mahakalyai Namaha.
नमः प्रकृत्यै भद्रायै नियताः प्रणतास्मतां वाग्भवबीज अधिष्ठात्र्यै श्रीमहाकाल्यै नमः.
नमः प्रकृत्यै भद्रायै नियताः प्रणतास्मतां वाग्भवबीजाधिष्ठात्र्यै श्री महाकाल्यै नमः.
10. Namah Prakrityai Bhadrayai Niyatah Pranatasmatam Simhavahinyai Trishula Pasha Dharinyai Namaha.
नमः प्रकृत्यै भद्रायै नियताः प्रणतास्मतां सिंहवाहिन्यै त्रिशूलपाशधारिण्यै नमः.
नमः प्रकृत्यै भद्रायै नियताः प्रणतास्मतां सिंहवाहिन्यै त्रिशूलपाशधारिण्यै नमः.
11. Namah Prakrityai Bhadrayai Niyatah Pranatasmatam Sarva Narayanyai Namaha.
नमः प्रकृत्यै भद्रायै नियताः प्रणतास्मतां सर्वनारायण्यै नमः.
नमः प्रकृत्यै भद्रायै नियताः प्रणतास्मतां सर्वनारायण्यै नमः.
12. Namah Prakrityai Bhadrayai Niyatah Pranatasmatam Shri Bala Tripura Sundaryai Namaha.
नमः प्रकृत्यै भद्रायै नियताः प्रणतास्मतां श्रीबाला त्रिपुरसुन्दर्यै नमः.
नमः प्रकृत्यै भद्रायै नियताः प्रणतास्मतां श्रीबाला त्रिपुरसुन्दर्यै नमः.
Okay. And the last 13th chapter, Sangaye Sayudaye Saparivarhaye Sarvatmikaye Shri Maha Tripura Sundarye Shri Vidyaye Namaha.
सांगायै सायुधायै सपरिवारायै सर्वात्मिकायै श्री महात्रिपुरसुन्दर्यै श्रीविद्यायै नमः.
सांगायै सायुधायै सपरिवारायै सर्वात्मिकायै श्री महात्रिपुरसुन्दर्यै श्रीविद्यायै नमः.
Very good. Thanks everybody. Sorry we went 10 minutes over today, but I wanted to complete this off today's class. So if there's any questions, then let me know, right? So I think this is clear, I hope. The last lines.
இது எல்லாமே ஓகேவா இருக்கு. ஒண்ணே ஒரு ரிக்வெஸ்ட் கேட்கலாமா?
சொல்லுங்க.
நீங்க இல்ல ஆரம்பத்துல இருந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வந்து இந்த வரிசையா இதுக்கப்புறம் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சாப்டர்ல இருந்து 13 சாப்டர் வரைக்கும் we will read. அதுக்கு முன்னாடில இருந்து இதுக்கப்புறம் அது ஒரே ஒரு சம்மரைஸ் மாத்திரம்
Yeah,
சொல்லுங்க.
I'll send a summary. No worries. Yeah. I think it's pretty much in the DM script. It's same structure that we follow, but I will send a beginning to end summary. We have that. I think.
நீங்க சொல்லி கொடுத்தது அப்படியே என்கிரேவ் ஆயிருக்கு மைண்ட்ல, சோ அதனால அதே
Yeah,
படி
yeah.
ஃபாலோ பண்றதுல
Yeah.
ஈஸியா
No,
இருக்கு.
I'll send that list. So that list is pretty straightforward. So
Thank
so next class we're going to start the Rahasya Trayam. Okay. So I think 3 classes will finish the 3 triams, Rahasyams. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Namaskaram.